Hi, how are you today? So I am going to get some seeds started, and I'm going to share with you that process pretty quick. I'm going to start some nasturtium and marigold, 2 different types of kohlrabi. Let's see what else. I do have a variety of lettuce, so I have a couple of those. What is this one? Yeah, not the squash right now. And then also tomatoes and bell peppers. And because I'm a glutton for punishment, again, I am going to try to start some foxglove. I have not had luck with foxglove the 3 times I have tried. Well, the 2 times I have tried. This will be number 3. So hopefully I will get some. I really hope I do. So I am using the Jiffy Seed Starting Mix. Jiffy Seed Starting Mix. So I have this. And then I have my little, my Jiffy trays. I do have some of this coconut coir pellets. I'm going to take those out since I bought the seed starting mix. I'm not going to mess with the pellets. I'm just going to put those aside and save them for another day. Yeah, and then I'll put them under the grow light and see what happens. I'm so excited. I also have with me a Sharpie, and I have these are little these are mini blinds that, oh, I don't have a lot with me, that I've cut from an old shade, and I'm just going to use those as markers for my seeds. So here we go. finished, as you saw, getting all the seeds in. Um, the foxglove here at the end in these little paper pots, I seeded them really heavy. I hope that doesn't bite me in the butt, but I just really want to get some foxglove plants. So I put those in different like different seed containers or seed growing containers because I want to keep them separate from the food. You know, there's warnings about foxglove being poisonous, the seeds are poisonous, all of that. It's not poisonous to touch, but I guess to ingest. So I'm gonna wash my hands. But I just I wanted to keep it separate from the food seedlings, and then not get them mixed up with the nasturtium and the marigolds. So I just did those separately. But I'm really excited. I'm going to put them under the grow lights, and then we'll see. They definitely need to be watered in, but I'm going to look for a spray bottle because I feel like if I pour water in, it's going to flood them, and I feel like it'll dislodge the seeds. I don't know. I'm just going to like heavily mist them from the top, and then I did put water in the trays. So we'll see what's to come. There are different germination dates and let's see, flowering dates and fruit dates and all of that. So we'll just see how this goes. I don't know if I mentioned it in this video here, but I think I did something on Instagram where I put some Rose of Sharon seeds in some little pots on my windowsill. They did not germinate at all. I think they weren't dry enough. So those were from seed heads from this season, and I think I needed to let them dry longer. So something was wrong. They weren't ready. So I didn't get any of those, but I might save those for next year. I don't know. So yes, that's it for today. I'm going to show you these under the grow light, and then we'll be done. Alrighty, here they are under the grow light. I'll keep you posted. Hopefully we'll get some plants.